On 19th of November, a group of people from Meghalaya entered Assam and intended to organize one-day medical camp at Lamarang village, Jirikindeng, falling under the jurisdiction of Jirikindeng Police Station, West Karbi Anglong district, without any proper and valid permits taken from the district administration and law and order of the district. Acting upon the information, Karbi Students Association, Jenka Head Branch, Borsing Ingti, 7 Ingti, President of Thana, with his colleagues along with the Law and Order Department, rushed to the spot to review the scene. Amir Khasru Chaudhary, UBC of Jirikindeng Police Station, put a stop to the Meghalaya's medical camp set up at Lamarang village, Jirikindeng, after they failed to produce legal permits in front of the Law and Order Department. He ordered them not to ever attempt such type of cross-border illegal activities in the days to come. He further informed that if they wanted to organize such type of cross-border events, they would have to bring permits from the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong. Something in this report from Jirikindeng for Karbi Anglong Live.